Dear friends, today let us see Windows key shortcuts. It is a very important and useful topic. Right? Windows key shortcut plays a very important role in your day-to-day professional activity. Let us see each Windows key shortcuts in brief. So first is the Alt plus Tab key. When you use Alt plus Tab key, it will switch between open windows. Suppose you have opened many number of windows, we can easily switch between each open windows. So that is the purpose of Alt plus Tab key. See here, I am pressing this. You can switch between different windows that has been opened. Right? For that you need to press this. See here. So wherever you want, you can able to enter. Suppose I want WhatsApp. Right? So WhatsApp already open, so I can enter that. So see here. So this is Microsoft Edge. So it's already open, so we can easily shift between windows. Those windows which have already opened. Okay. See here. I'm coming back to my existing window. Right. So it's easy to move between windows. Okay. Next, let us go. Next is Control plus Alt plus Tab. This will also do the same job just like Alt plus Tab. But the difference between this is that once you do this, all the windows which is open will be displayed on the computer screen. So that is a basic difference. So once it is displayed, you can easily check it. And once you click on to that window, it will go to that particular window. Okay. So that is this important. This is also a very important Windows key shortcut. You can switch. Everything will be, all windows that is open is displayed. So I'm opening this. Okay. WhatsApp or anything. Any windows which is already open. See, this is Microsoft Edge. So I'm coming back to this PPT. Right. Next, let us go to next shortcut. Control plus Shift plus Escape. This will open the task manager. Suppose you run different application and you are using these 5 different application, and suppose you want to force close some application because it is hanging, right? Or once it is hang, then you can use this task manager, open the task manager by using this Control Shift plus Escape key. Then you can press end task. Suppose Microsoft Edge, you want to close it forcefully, then you can easily click that particular application, for example Google Chrome, then put end task, click end task. That will forcefully close that open application. Okay, I am closing it. Okay, very useful application, very useful shortcut. Next is the Windows key plus plus key. It will open the magnifier. Okay. So normally you will see in 100%. You can go to 200%, 300%, 400% and view it. Once you click this Windows key plus plus key, magnifier will open. Right. So once this is done, you can move the screen anywhere and then you can press again Windows key plus plus key. That will zoom. See here, yeah, that will zoom. See, now it is 200%. Wherever you place, you can able to zoom it and see. Okay, 300% now. Again, Windows key plus plus key, 400%. Okay. So if you do minus, it will reduce. Right, came to original position 100%. So this is a Windows key shortcut. This is magnifier. Very useful shortcut key. Okay. Now it is 300%, 200%, 100%. Windows key plus minus key means it will reduce. Plus key means it will go on increasing the magnifying. Okay, percentage. Next shortcut is Windows key plus L key. It will lock the Windows screen. Suppose if you press Windows key plus the L key, it will lock the screen. Once it is locked, you have to give again the password, then only you can enter into the computer screen. So that is the purpose of Windows key plus L key. Okay. Next is the Windows key plus E key. This will open the File Explorer easily. It is a very important shortcut to open the File Explorer. And you can go to any folder and check where your files are. Okay. So that is the purpose of Windows key plus E key, Explorer, File Explorer. Shortcut to open the File Explorer. Okay, Windows key plus E key. Next is the Windows key plus I key. It will open the computers or system settings. So I am just see Windows key plus I. I am pressing it. It has opened the computer settings. Right? Close it. Okay. So that is the main purpose of using this Windows key plus I key. Next is the Windows key plus A. It will open the action center. Normally all systems will have the action center. You can perform certain actions very easily. Right? Either you can convert into tablet mode, or you can change network or Wi-Fi, whatever it is. In such cases, if you want to open the action center, any action that you want to perform, you can easily press the Windows key plus A key. Next is the Windows key plus M key. It will minimize all the windows that are open. Right? I have opened different this here. All windows I have closed it, minimized it. Not closed it, but we can easily minimize it. Okay. So that is the purpose of Windows key plus M key. It will minimize all the open windows. Okay. Yes. It's closing all the not closing. It is minimizing all the open windows. Next is the Windows key plus print screen. You can easily take the screenshot of the windows. Or also you can, another method is also there, Windows key plus Shift plus S. Both operations will perform the screenshot. Right? Let me do it. Windows key plus print screen. It will take screenshot. Yes, screenshot has been taken. Okay. Now let us go and check in the File Explorer. For this also you can easily open Windows key plus E key. Okay, go and see screenshot. So open that. This is the screenshot that we have taken using Windows key plus print screen. Okay, let me close it. Another method is Windows key plus Shift plus S. This will also take screenshot. See here, I have pressed Windows key plus Shift plus S. Then anywhere you can take. See here, I want only this screenshot. Okay, so we can pinpoint the particular screen and click it. So this is the screenshot which I have taken. Similarly, entire screen also you can take. Okay. Next is the Windows key plus 1 to 9 numbers. That is, it will open the pinned taskbar application. Okay. See here, bottom, these are the pinned taskbars. Different applications I have kept in the taskbar. I have pinned it in the taskbar for easy use. See, now first is the Microsoft Edge. Next is the File Explorer. Next Windows. Next this Mail. Next is the Google Chrome. Similarly, I have kept different applications along the taskbar. I have pinned it. See here, I can also move this taskbar. See here. Yes. Okay. I can move this application wherever I want. Okay, so this, okay, so Microsoft Edge is the first, third is the Google Chrome. See here, Windows plus 1, if I click, it will open the Microsoft Edge. I am pressing it, Windows key plus 1, Microsoft Edge is opening. Next, Windows key plus 3, it will open the Google Chrome. Just wait, Windows key plus 3, just the number 3, okay, Windows key plus number 3, it is opening the Google Chrome. Similarly, you can do it till up to 1 to 9, okay. Now the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the calculator. See here, Windows key plus 9. If I press, it will open the calculator. I am pressing it. Windows key plus 9. Automatically, the calculator is opening up. Okay, it's a very useful shortcut, Windows shortcut. Okay. Next is the split screen. We can easily do split screen by pressing Windows key plus right arrow key, also Windows key plus left arrow key. If you press Windows key plus right arrow key, it will move to the right side, equally split into half. See here. Now let me select this Chrome. Let me open it. Let me press Windows key plus left arrow key. It will move to the left side of the screen. Right? It will be equally partitioned or equally split. So this is the split screen shortcut. Google Chrome to the left and this PowerPoint to the right. Okay. So these are the various Windows key shortcuts. Okay. We can easily use it and we can enhance the performance. Right? Thank you friends, thank you for watching. Okay? Please subscribe if you have not subscribed to our channel. Thank you friends.